Hello everyone, my name is Mario Parra and I'm going to be giving a quick explanation on the topic of the infamous deep web. If you like this video and would like to see more, please let me know in the comment section below. Now let's begin. The deep web was also referred to as the dark net and invisible web, was coined around 2000 by a computer scientist named Mike Bergman, which is this man right here. Now, he coined that phrase in order to represent the parts of the World Wide Web that isn't and cannot be indexed by a popular and widely used search engine such as Google and Yahoo. This just simply means that those search engines cannot give you access to those deep web websites directly. Now, when I say it's part of a World Wide Web, I actually mean it's a bigger chunk of the internet than what you really think. If we take a look at this other page that I have saved up, it talks about the deep web and its contents. Now, as you see right here, the surface web is what is visible to you right now with your Google Chrome, Firefox, anything of that sort of a browser. But this is what the deep web is contained of. It contains over 96% of the World Wide Web content. That's 96%, 500 times the size of the surface web. So if you've never ventured yourself into the deep web before, then you have only been using around 4% of the internet. That's barely scratching the surface of what you can do. It is also important to note that the deep web is known for the privacy it provides to its users. And that's because it's too difficult to track, which makes it not government regulated either. This anonymity attracts a lot of serious cyber criminals who take advantage of the system's privacy for their illegal actions, but we'll get to that in a second. The only way someone can access the deep web on his or her own is by using a Tor browser. This browser is free to download online to the public, and I'll give you an example right here. Just going to go to Google, search for Tor download. And then I have a Mac computer, so I would go to the Apple. If you have Microsoft, you would go to Microsoft. There it is. All I have to do is just press the download button, and I instantly have a Tor browser that can link me to the deep web. Now, you may wonder if criminals are the only users who would use such a type of browser, but in actuality, a lot of what you may call normal people use it for their jobs. This article on the Security Affairs explains how government officials and journalists would use the deep web to send and obtain private documents without needing to worry about any regulations from anywhere. However, the final unfortunate truth is that the deep web is crawling with tons of cyber criminals rather than the working class people. When people talk about the deep web, the first things they recall are the illegal activities that go through the system, and rightfully so. Now, these websites can range from illegal drugs, child porn, even stolen credit card information. This has spun many stories about people's experience while surfing the deep web and has become an internet sensation with horrific, disturbing stories about people running into hitman websites and murders on live cams, just horrific stuff. And there's a lot more that dwells beneath the dark web, but that will be left for another time. I'd like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. Again, let me know if you would like to see some more content on the same or another interesting topic, and I'll see you all a little later.